Bayes strain theory. Bayes theory is based upon some assumptions that are useful to understand instability of cycloalkane ring system. All ring systems are planar. Deviation from normal tetrahedral angle results in unstable cycloalkanes. The large ring systems involve negative strain, hence do not exist. The bond angle in cyclohexane and higher cycloalkanes like cycloheptane, octane, and cyclononene, etc., are not larger than 109.5 degree because the carbon ring of those compounds are not planar. Adolf Baer in 1885 proposed a theory to explain the relative stability of the first few cycloalkane and the fact that normal angle between any pair of the bond of carbon atom is 109 degree 28 in tetrahedral geometry like in methane molecule. This is structure of methane molecule in which normal tetrahedral angle between hydrogen is of 109.5 degree. Baer postulated that any deviation of bond angle from the normal tetrahedral value would impose a condition of internal strain on the ring, and this is called angle strain, which determines the stability of the ring. Baer proposed that the optimum overlap of atomic orbital is achieved for bond angle of 109.5 degree. In short, it is ideal bond angle for alkane compound that produce maximum bond strength and a stable molecule. This is structure of propane in two form. First is straight chain of propane, and second is propane present in cyclic form or cyclopropanes. In A structure, propane is present in band form, or in this structure band bond is present. Band bond is a strong bond, and in cyclic form bond between carbon carbon is weak bond. In first structure, bond angle between carbon 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 is of 109.5 degree, and in second structure bond angle between carbon 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 is of 60 degree. In cyclopropanes, the carbon atom does not use these hybrid molecules to form the bond. Hence, the bond or band bond is weaker as compared to usual carbon-carbon bond. This is described as angle strain. If bond angles deviate from the ideal, then the ring produces strain. Ideal bond angle means tetrahedral bond angle. It is of 109.5 degree. Higher strain produces higher instability, increased reactivity, and increases heat of combustion. In simple, higher the deviation, lesser the instability. Baer observed different bond angles for different cycloalkanes and also observed some different properties and stabilities. On this basis, he proposed angle strain theory. The theory explained reactivity and stability of cycloalkanes. There are three cycloalkane: first cyclopropane, cyclobutane, and cyclopentane. In cyclopropane, bond angle is of 60 degree. Second structure angle is of 90 degree, and in cyclopentane, bond angle between carbon 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 is of 108 degree. And it's in these deviation of these bond angles from the normal tetrahedral angle is also given here, like as you can see here, 109.5 degree is normal tetrahedral bond angle and 60 degree angle is cyclopropane angle. So we subtract the bond angle, cyclopropane bond angle from the normal tetrahedral angle and calculate the angle strain which imposed on bond between the carbon carbon to form the ring structure of cyclopropane. In cyclopropane, bond angle is of 49.5 degree, in cyclobutane 19.5 degree, and in cyclopentane it is of 1.5 degree only. This table, there's a table also. This table shows the angle strain of first few cycloalkanes. Only 4 cycloalkenes are given here, and their bond angles, deviations, deviations from the normal tetrahedral bond angle, and angle strain, which impose on the bond to form the ring. Cyclopropene bond angle is of 60 degree, deviation 49.5 degree, and angle strain is of 24.75 degree. Cyclobutane bond angle 90 degree, deviation 19.5 degree, and angle strain is of 9.75 degree. Cyclopentane bond angle 108 degree, deviation 1.5 degree, and angle strain is of 0.75 degree. Cyclohexene 120 degree, deviation 10.5 degree, and angle strain is of minus 5.27 degree. This is structure of cyclopropane, and here we are studying the angle strain in cyclopropane. In cyclopropane, normal bond angle between carbon-carbon is of 60 degree and normal tetrahedral bond angle is of 109.5 degree. As you can see here, it is also showing in the picture. Then calculate the angle strain by formula 109.5 degree minus 60 degree upon 2. It will be 24.75 degree. So 24.75 degree angle strain will be imposed to make the structure of cyclopropanes. The value 24.75 degree that then represent the angle strain or the deviation through which each bond band from the normal tetrahedral directions. In seam planar, cyclobutane is square and the bond angle are of 90 degree in place of 109.5 degree normal bond angle for carbon atom to adjust them into square ring systems. Angle strain is of 9.75 degree. The deviation for cyclopropane and cyclobutane ring system, then normal tetrahedral angle will produce a strain in the ring, and the ring strain will make them unstable as compared to molecule having tetrahedral bond angles. According to Bayer, cyclopropane should be highly strained molecule at most unstable compared to cyclobutane and other higher members of the series. The triangle ring therefore be expected to open up on slightest provocations and thus releasing the strain within it. This is actually so. Cyclopropane undergoes ring opening reactions with bromine, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen to give open chain addition products. Cyclopentane considered to be under least strain and should be most stable compound of the series. Thus, it is not surprising that it does not undergo ring opening reactions. The angle strain in cyclohexane is higher than that in case of cyclopentane. This strain increases continuously with increase in number of carbon atom in the ring. According to the theory, cyclohexane and the higher cycloalkanes should become increasingly unstable and hence more reactive. Contrary to this prediction, cycloalkane and the higher members are found to be quite stable. They do not undergo addition reactions, instead they react by substitution reactions only. Thus the theory satisfies account for first three cycloalkenes, but it is not valid for cyclohexene and other higher member of the series. According to the Bayes, the relative order of stability for some compound of the cycloalkane series, cyclopentane is more stable as compared to cyclobutane, and it is more stable as compared to cyclopropane. Limitations of Beer-Strain theory. First, was not able to explain the effect of angle strain in large ring system. According to Beer, cyclopentane should be much stable than cyclohexane, but practically it is reversed. Larger ring systems are not possible according to the Bayes as they have negative strain, but they exist and much stable. Larger ring systems are not planar but wrinkled or puckered to eliminate angle strain.